A smoke detector is a device that senses smoke, which is an indicator of fire. Domestic small smoke detectors, also known as smoke alarms, generally issue an audible alarm from the detector. DesignNest AirCube Smoke Detector is very small in size and goes well with your home or office aesthetics. There is no external power required as it contains inbuilt battery with 10 years of life. All the four sides and the front has vents for smoke detection. On the left bottom of the front side is the mute and test button. It is built with ABS plastic material and has sensitivity to smoke comply to EN 14604. At the back it has unique rotatory holder cover which helps in triggering on-off switch. The intensity of alarm is 85 decibels from 3 meters. The dimension of the product is 4.7 into 4.7 into 4.5 centimeters. To activate the device, we will be fixing the cap at the back and rotate till we hear the beep sound. Now the device is ready to protect you and your loved ones. Let us have a smoke test. To mute the alarm, we have to press the mute button in the front. Thank you for watching. Hope the video was informative. If you like the video, kindly like, share and subscribe.